If you're thinking about selling your home for the very first time, take a deep breath. You've got this. Selling can feel like a huge step, and let's be honest, there's a lot of noise out there, but you don't need to figure it out alone. This video is designed just for you, the first-time home seller, so you can feel confident, informed, and in control from day one. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, a full-time real estate broker here in Quincy, Illinois. I help homeowners just like you navigate their first sale all the time. And I know exactly where the stress shows up and where the wins happen. So in this video, I'll break down what first-time sellers need to know before they jump in. Here's the truth. Selling your first home isn't just about paperwork and a for sale sign. It's about mindset, timing, and knowing the process. Most first-time sellers think, I'll just list it and see what happens. But without a strategy, you could lose money, miss the right buyers, or get overwhelmed fast. Let's start with expectations. When you bought your home, you likely focused on monthly payments, location, and getting that offer accepted. Selling flips that script. Now, you're the one preparing, presenting, and negotiating. It's a shift, and it's one I help walk clients through every single day. In Quincy, we've got a variety of buyers out there, from investors to first-time buyers of their own, and knowing who your home speaks to helps us market it the right way. Next, prep and pricing. You don't have to spend thousands to get your home ready. In fact, over-improving is a common mistake. What you do need is a fresh, clean, well-maintained space that shows buyers you've taken care of it. I'll walk through your home with you and point out what's worth doing and what's not. As for pricing, this is where first-time sellers often struggle. Online estimates can be off by tens of thousands in either direction. Pricing too high will stall your sale. Too low, and you're leaving money on the table. I use local Quincy market data, recent comparable sales, and real-time demand to guide you to a price that attracts buyers and gets you results. Now let's talk about timing. There's no perfect month for every seller, but there is a perfect strategy. Depending on the time of year, the number of active listings, and buyer demand in Quincy, we can time your listing to hit at the right moment. And even more important than when you list is what kind of attention your home gets from the moment it goes live. That's why marketing matters. I go beyond the basics. Professional photos, walkthrough video, 360 virtual tours, and strategic social media placement to ensure your home is seen not just locally, but by serious buyers who are ready to move. First-time sellers are often surprised how quickly things can move once their home hits the market with the right visibility. And once those offers start rolling in, I'll help you break them down line by line. It's not just about the highest number, it's about terms, contingencies, timelines, and your goals. I'll walk with you through inspections, appraisals, and closing day so nothing catches you off guard. You only sell your first home once, so let's do it right. As a full-time agent who lives and works in Quincy, I know this market inside and out. My job is to make sure you feel confident every step of the way and get the best outcome possible. If you're a first-time home seller, call me today for a confidential conversation. No pressure, just honest local guidance to help you make the right move.